guys, Colleen here, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com. Today I'm excited to share our new outdoor patio space with you. I've partnered with Article to make over this space with a comfy lounge set, and I'm excited to share that with you today. We have always had a table and benches that we DIY'd on our deck, and I really loved that for eating dinner and breakfast and drinking coffee on the deck. But my husband has always been team comfy lounge set, and I was resistant. But now that we have it, I would never go back. I love this. I love being able to visit with my friends on the lounge set and drink coffee here while the kids play in the yard. And it's so comfy, you guys. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would so love if you did that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. Let's check it out. All right, so there are two big pieces of furniture that we have used to make this space really comfy and really cozy and kind of like a conversation area without it being a typical conversation set. The one big piece that my husband was really set on having in this cozy lounge area was a sectional. We have a sectional in our living room, and it is his favorite piece of furniture to sit on, so that was his wish for outside. What I love about this sectional that we chose is that it is so beautifully modern. It doesn't look like a compromise on style. I love the wooden legs that it has. I feel like it really elevates the patio furniture and makes it more like real furniture. The other thing that I love about this is that it is so comfy. I know I said that before, but it honestly feels like real deal furniture. This piece is the Urba sectional in slate gray, and that is from Article, and we've just furnished it with some throw pillows, and I brought out a throw blanket because it was such a cozy spot to enjoy the sunsets in the evenings, but it was still a little bit cool for that. I love how this has just become my favorite place to curl up as the sun sets after the kids go to bed and just drink some coffee or some wine and flip through a magazine at the end of a long day. I wish that I made time for this more often because it is so wonderful. The other piece of furniture that we have added to this space is this daisy lounge chair. It's kind of got that wicker, rattan, retro vibe that I really love. I feel like it gives a bit of a boho touch to the modern space. And why I wanted to add a chair in like this is because the sectional just faces one way, and while it's really beautiful and while that's probably where I'm going to sit most of the time, adding the chair makes it look a little bit like a conversation set and a lot like somewhere that you want to be. It's very inviting. I just feel like it's such a fun touch, and it's actually super comfortable as well. I kind of thought it might be more decorative than it's somewhere that you wanted to sit, but we're loving it. My kids call it the fancy chair, and they actually sit there more than they sit in the couch. So that is definitely a piece that I love and will be using for years to come, I'm sure. So those are the two big pieces of furniture that we have put in this space just to make it a more of a cozy lounge space. I am so excited with how it turned out. I also really love that we mixed and matched pieces. As much as the sets are nice, I really love the look of a collected space. And I feel like this modern sectional here with the light wood legs plays so well with that lounge chair. I do want to use our patio table still, but not right here. I feel like this is the prime space and lounging is what we do the most of. So for those few times that we want to be able to, host dinner outside or something like that, I'm working on setting up a secondary space in our yard. So hopefully I'll be sharing that here soon as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love if you gave it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. We'll see you next time. Bye!